Here is our question. Question is about two sets and their intersections. Their intersection. Let us take x to the power 6 minus x to the power 5 minus 100 as fx, and the other function x square minus 2x. Let us draw the graphs of these two functions. You see that in this x equal to 0, fx is minus 100, and you see the same value if we put x equal to 1, minus 100. So x equal to 1, the value is the same for fx, minus 100. So the graph and x equal to infinity, fx is infinity, and x equal to minus infinity, fx tends to plus infinity. So the graph will be almost approximately like I draw. You see here, from here you can see that this expression has two roots. Say this as r2 minus r2 and this as r1. If you put x equal to 2, then this expression will be negative, and at x equal to 3, for x equal to 3, fx is positive. This means that this r1 lies between 2 to 3. In the same way, you can see that this minus r2 lies minus 2 to minus 3. And let us move for the second graph, this graph. We can draw this graph easily. In the question, for this graph you have to take x from 0 to infinity. This is written in the question. So we will restrict ourselves in the first quadrant, and you see that at x equal to 0, the value is 0, and x equal to 2, the value is again 0, 2, and x equal to plus infinity, it is infinity plus infinity. That means the graph will be in the first quadrant. So, and after differentiating, you can see that this function has minimum value at x equal to 1, and the minimum value is minus 1. So the graph finally we have as I draw. This is the graph for this expression. Now let us see the first set. The first set is S. In the first set, this should be less than or equal to 0. See carefully. This means that you have to take either 0 or negative. You see that for this part, the graph is either negative or 0. So our set S is actually minus r2 to r1, from this point to this. Whereas in the second set, that is T, we have to take those values for which y stands. So for y, you see the minimum value is minus 1 and the maximum is plus infinity. So this is minus 1 to infinity. Now we have to take the intersection of these two sets. So to get intersection, let us draw a line parallel to this, a line, a number line, and same take he 0 here, 1, and at the same distance in the other side -1. So this is -1 to infinity. This means that -1 to infinity, this will go to infinity. This line will go from this point. Intersection of these two means you here the first set is from -r2 to r1, and the second is -1 to infinity. So intersection of these two will be -1 to r1. S intersection T will be -1 to r1. r1 will be included because r1 is for the first graph, and in the first graph you see the sign of equality, so r1 will be included. So S intersection T is -1 to r1. You see that this set is closed as well as bounded. So our right option here in the question, you see that our right option is A, because in A you see closed and bounded in R.